HEQ Fly App, Route Function Introduction, Manual Waypoint Setting. Open the HEQ Fly Flight software. Click on the route icon indicated by an arrow. Enter the route editing interface. Tap on any location on the screen to set the takeoff. Long press the takeoff point to move its position. Set the takeoff point not far from the landing point. Continue tapping on any location on the screen to generate waypoints. To delete a waypoint first, select the waypoint, then click on the delete icon next to the waypoint on the right side. Long press on a waypoint to move its position. Tap on the plus sign in the route path to add waypoints. Click on the route icon in the upper right corner to modify route settings. Choose the desired action in case of signal loss. Choose the desired action at the end of the route. Click on the upload icon on the left side. Confirm the upload. Click on the execute icon on the left side. Swipe right to start executing the route. Initiate the route mission execution. Executing the route. At this point, the aircraft is executing the route mission based on the waypoints. Clicking on the Cancel button will display the return route. Once the route mission is completed, the drone will return and land.